As the light shines on a new era at Middlesex Health, we reflect on a year full of transformation and growth.
I think it's going to present the organization in a way that is consistent with the level of care that we provide.
That award-winning care will now be enhanced by top-notch facilities, thanks to a large-scale project changing the look of the landscape, building a healthcare system for the modern world.
The ambulatory expansion project was built around 5 separate and distinct projects.
Construction projects include the merger of 2 practices in Madison to a renovated space on Boston Post Road, featuring primary care, OB/GYN, and urology services, and the addition of 5,000 square feet of space at the Shoreline Medical Center in Westbrook, focused on specialties including sleep medicine and endocrinology.
For us, bringing specialty services to the Shoreline is a huge deal because those patients were typically driving to Middletown. Now we're driving to where the patients are.
We also saw improvements to infrastructure in Middletown with an incredible new facility at 410 Saybrook Road.
We built out new space for our urology practice and our bariatric and medical weight loss practice, both of whom had expanded beyond their present capacity.
On our main campus, we have 2 medical office buildings that have been in need of kind of a makeover for a long time.
80 and 90 South Main Street, which house our multi-specialty practice and our family medicine residency program, are being transformed into state-of-the-art buildings.
Once it's done, it's, I think, really going to change the total look of our campus.
But the biggest development is the construction of a 22,000 square foot office building in Cromwell, dedicated to primary care and physical rehabilitation, with 30 new exam rooms and a spacious gym. It's accessible and easily visible for commuters on Route 9.
I think being right off the highway, I think that more people will hear about us, and I think that our growth will naturally get out in this community.
Am I excited about this? Yeah, because I love building these things. Absolutely. That's what I was born to do. That's what I do. So I'm excited about that, and I'm excited to turn these projects over to the clinical people who will use these to treat and take care of patients.
I would say it definitely feels like a new beginning, a new chapter, a new era for not only just us in Cromwell, but all of Middlesex.
And the improvements don't stop there. Inside the main hospital, the lobby has been updated with a fresh, current look, and investments have been made in the operating rooms.
It really is about access, providing more locations, more facilities for people throughout the community to gain access to the incredible quality of care that's provided at Middlesex Health.
There are also improvements being made to Middlesex Health primary care in Portland, and a new specialty pharmacy recently opened in Middletown, along with a concierge medicine practice in Essex called Signature Care. 7 new ambulances have been added to our fleet.
Our patients expect and deserve, the best facilities, the best equipment, the best technology, and that's what we're trying to deliver.
And speaking of technology, the nationally recognized nonprofit health system now sports another linear accelerator and a new robot for general surgery. We are actively using artificial intelligence, or AI, to benefit our patients in spaces like radiology.
Many of our physicians are starting to be able to have an AI tool listen in the background and therefore create the note from that. The beauty of that is that it allows the physician, when they're in the room with a patient, to really focus more on the patient.
In August, a new television commercial featuring actual staff hit the airwaves, spreading our mission of patient-centered care far and wide.
At Middlesex Health, we're doing modern medicine our way, built around what matters most, you.
Middlesex Health, here for the better.
Important work continues at the emergency room in Marlborough, the incredible Myers Center serving families with children who have developmental differences, and the Beat Paley Center offering exceptional behavioral health services. The Burris Center for Integrative Medicine continues to improve the lives of cancer patients.
Our medical group is always expanding. We're always looking to ensure that we have the highest quality physicians here.
So there are new doctors in departments like OB/GYN, orthopedics, and general surgery. And as we say hello to new faces, we bid farewell to some of our most respected physicians. We thank you for your years of dedication.
I think that it is a really wonderful, close-knit family that in my opinion, I don't think you can necessarily get in other places.
We are proud to be a 6-time Magnet designated organization and to have earned a Leapfrog Grade A for hospital safety.
It kind of tells a story about the culture of where Middlesex Health is and what Middlesex Health's priorities are.
We are fortunate to work with valued strategic partners like Epic and, of course, the Mayo Clinic. And on the local level, we appreciate our collaborations with the Travelers Championship and the City of Middletown. In the last year, our staff has had a lot of fun out in the community, on the basketball court, the soccer field, at playgrounds, parades, and more.
I think it's a great place. I love Middlesex. I'm proud of what we do here.
It is a real gem in the community.
As we reflect on the past, we look towards the future, proud of our investments that will benefit generations to come. And we couldn't have done it without the support of our donors and community. It's clear that we're committed to building a better tomorrow together.
Because that's what we are all about.